Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make tofu pizza. This isn't real pizza obviously, so if you're Italian, please look away. It's very easy, quick and healthy version of pizza using atsuage deep fried tofu. If you want your children to try some tofu, I think this will be a great start. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this tofu pizza, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Atsuage deep fried tofu, ketchup or tomato sauce, some cheese, and your favorite toppings. Today I have some sausages, onion and bell pepper, but any topping you like. I'm preparing the topping first. So onion. Let's make thin slices. Bell pepper. Push the stem in. And take it out with the seeds. Then thin slices. Sausages, thin diagonal slices. And atsuage deep fried tofu. Let's cut it into half this way. Like this, and then into half this way. Prepare oven sheets lined with parchment paper. Put atsuage with this crust side facing down. Spread some ketchup or tomato sauce. And the toppings. Let's grill in the oven. I did 15 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. Some black pepper if you like. And tofu pizza is ready to go. Time for the tasting. It's pizza, so knife and fork instead of chopsticks. Itadakimasu. The bottom side of atsuage is so crispy, almost crunchy, and it feels like real pizza crust. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. But it's pizza today, so let's forget about the layout. Let's have this tofu pizza and norishio potato. Broccoli and egg salad to add some protein and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!